So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn daily $5 with using my method, but today's method is very special. Today I'm going to share, I have already told you that YouTube method. So before starting video, just see my earning. As you said, my account will be banned, but my account is not banning anymore. You know why? Because I know how it is method, I know its technique, I know how to apply it. You have to understand this. So see, this is my only yesterday just 1 hour work, but I didn't work for yesterday for any YouTube, but YouTube already giving me views. So I'm going to share you this method today, like from blog, see, from statistics, and I'm going to real views of my website. Like yesterday I didn't work too much, I just worked for only 1 hour maybe, and I didn't work for YouTube. But YouTube is a machine, like when you set up this, you will get unlimited link click every day. You have to know the method. In this video I'm going to share you this method, how we can get really authentic traffic from YouTube. See, also already hit for hit is my last video work, only 1 hour I just work here, and 174 just normal. It could be 500, it could be 1000 traffic. So this is my secret actually, daily $5. I use every day this site. Okay, I have Google traffic method. Do you know what is this method? I will try to share you in my next video. Google traffic method, YouTube method is genuine and it's not fake. Every technique I show you, it's everything is a technique, and you don't have to worry, your account will not bet if you don't do the self click, if you don't do the spamming in your account by clicking your ad by your own, your account will not in risks. But if you do this, your account will be risks. So today I'm going to share YouTube method, that's why I'm just making this video. So YouTube method is very simple. I will use a free AI, I will use everything free, I will automate everything in my video. So first go to the Google Trends. If you don't have the trends idea, if you don't have the what actually going on this world, you have to understand this, that if you want to earn from USA, you must interested in USA topic. It's not your own regional viral things, you must target on USA interested topic. So in USA, 5 hours ago, it's already so many football play is now on top, like Atlas versus America. This match is very high engaging topic, 1000%. So I'm going to make a video on that. But how where I get a script, how to make this in just 5 minutes? It's very simple, just do what I'm doing, that's it. So at first you have to get the right link where you can get the right information. So to this, just in Google search and click on the first link, like first 2 or 3 link is okay. So I just click on the withdrawal.com. see, it's already ranking withdrawal.com. So I just copy this link from here and go to the AI and tell them that please make a voice chat for me. That's it. I'll tell just AI that please make a voice script for me. He will automatically only give me the voice script within just 1 minute. Not need 1 minute, it's just for 10 seconds work. That's it. I am now making a voice script by using AI. I'm not doing anything manually. So my script is ready. See, in just 10 seconds ready. After my script ready, I need to just copy this script and go to in video AI. All you know, this AI tool is the best AI tool from script to making video. Okay, in video AI is the best AI tool for making script to video, and you don't have to do anything, like you don't give too much instruction. You just sign up here and give the voice script, it will do automatically all work for you. That's it. It's simple and easy to use. So paste the script in here. It will take some time. No, don't worry, it's 2 or 5 minutes work, but it's very effective. Generate my video. If you are see my video from USA, from America, from Canada, don't worry, I know this method is very much working for you guys. Okay, I'm just telling you the right thing, I'm just telling you the proper thing that will work for you. So see, it's now taking some time. So see, everything is ready. You have just to set up some things like 30 seconds and give it key movement focus in here and YouTube and click on generate. Now your video is almost on the way. Now I am going to make a landing page. Always remind this, your landing page must be unique and technical, and everything must be covered very effective way. So to make a landing page, you must have some text, like some block type text. So copy the link again and paste it in ChatGPT and tell that please clone this blog, clone this website and make a blog for me. That's it. It will make a blog for you within just 1 minute. After that go to your any blog site. You know how to make blog site is very easy. Just sign up and click on new post and paste those blog text in here and click on any of your blog and click on new post. Okay, and then now see, copy this. Okay, okay, I just copied this and pasted in here. And give us a title, give this. After that I need just everything is easy and you know, it's very easy to use. So use a image in here, download it from Google if you want. Like this is very nice image. Copy this image address and paste it in post, like not directly, but you can URL. Click on URL and paste the link in here and insert the image. Now your landing page is ready, but you need a script like $10 script. I already shown you. Also you can use some banner. I don't use banner actually in this video because I don't. That's enough for me. I have pop under enabled in my site and I have social code enabled in my site. That's why I don't need it anymore. Now see what actually I'm doing is copy, and as you can see that the blog is perfectly workable. Like $10 script is very much important script for you. So copy this script from here, copy this script from here and paste it in the HTML view and in that section. Well, I'm very happy to say that every blog, everything I make, it's very super easy and anyone can do this by his own device like mobile. And you know, when I see that you guys message me in my Telegram that you are earning too much, your earning just started by using my video, then I feel very happy because earning is like, you know, this whole sea, and it's you have to make a multiple income source. Like I make money from YouTube, I make money from ads, I make money from YouTube, but you know, you have to do this very consciously and you don't depend on only one side. If you depend on only one side, it will not work for you. You must be confident that I will make at least 2 or 3 sites to earn from online. If you don't mindset like that, you will feel disappointed, you will feel depressed every time. That's actually the main things. So you have to understand that what actually going on, how you can do this in a routine. I just shared to you my tax flow at the beginning of the video. Like for daily $5 script, you must follow this method. Like this, you have to make your own machine, make your own routine. How can you do this every day? So my video also already is on the way, and it will complete within a 1 or 2 minutes. See, already it's on the way. And after that I will make a, you know, landing page already made it, but I need YouTube description video. Like when I upload this video on YouTube, I must have some description. That's why I will make some code from ChatGPT. That's it. So after that, you see, if ChatGPT give me the all important keyword from his research, but I'm going to share a compare with Google Trends. Like this Google Trends code is very much important for you. So you can use this code also in your YouTube video. But if you have AI, you don't have to worry. You will manage this in within a minute. That's it. See, this code already I just make by AI. So when I upload my video, when I upload my video on YouTube, I don't have to worry anything about it. I'll just make it as easy as possible by using AI. You have to understand this. I hope my video already on my way. I like it's already ready now. So I just make some video title, guys. If you're feeling bored, if you're feeling bored, don't worry. It's actually method. It's actually the original method how you can earn money from Adsterra by using AI. My AI series is unique from others. They will not share this method with you. So see, this video already ready. Okay, I just okay, don't need this video with voice. I'm not playing this voice because I need to voice over sometime. That's why the voice is, I'm just muted. But don't worry, this is a perfect voice video. Just make with NVIDIA AI. And now after that, everything is ready now. So as you can see that this video is completely ready now. You can download this download button. Sometimes you guys complain that download button is not working for you. You know why? If you want to download without watermark, it will not work. You have to download that with watermark, because you don't have to worry. Your channel will not be harmed for this. You know why? Are you going to monetize your YouTube video with this? No, you are not going to monetize your video. You're just going to get traffic. That's why you don't need to worry about watermark. Just click on stop watermark. If you don't click on stop watermark, if you don't click on normal, your video will not be downloadable. So you must click on the see, it's showing you must upgrade, but I will not upgrade. I will download it without upgrade. I just click on stop watermark. Okay, I just click on normal. But by using this setting, I can download this video. See, now it can continue. That's actually the secret, guys. If you guys, why you are depressed when you cannot download this, just share with me. Share with me this. I will try to share you every technical method with you, how you can download this, how you can easily use this AI video. I have all technique to share with you. Now everything is ready. My video is ready, my landing page is ready, everything completed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to upload this video in YouTube. It will take some time to download this video, as I'm not cutting any part of this video. That's why I just want to ensure that you guys understand this. You just understand this properly, and you do by your own method. I hope you got my point. Okay, it will take just 1 or 2 minutes time. Or as you can see, I have made so many videos. See? This all my video I just made with this NVIDIA AI. All my video. I'm working in here a very long time. See, I'm working in NVIDIA for a long time. I know it's a very good machine. I know it's a very good tools for making money. And if you understand this method, you also can use this machine for making money for you. That's actually the secret, guys. And you can buy subscription from this, but I think it's not need. If this free method is monthly subscription you need, I think you must go for another AI. Like if NVIDIA AI is complete, you can use another AI. I have so many AI which can make text to video very easily without any payment. It's all completely free. Now as you can see, my video is completely downloaded. We don't have to worry about anything. Just upload this video in YouTube and give a good nice title description. That's it. So first upload this video in here. Just drag and drop. You can use your mobile also. This method also working on mobile. So after dragging this, just give some good title in here. A good title will rank your video from others. So you must ensure that you have good title by using ChatGPT. You must have good description which have SEO optimized keyword. If you don't use this, your earning will not boost. So I just pasted in here. Okay, and I need to keep this description in here. Okay, I just copy this and paste it in here. Now it's what's going on. You don't need a thumbnail. It's no need, because it's a news. It's a trending topic. Whoever see this video, he just need the information. He is very excited. He wants to know the information. And I'm making some 500 keyword to using in this section. As you can see, this section is here. Just paste the keyword in here, and that's it. Your everything is ready now. Click on no, it's not made for kids. Click on next button. Click on price visibility button. Click on the public button and click on publish. Now your video is completely ready for uploading and everything is done. Now you just need to give your landing page link in comment section. As you can say that the link is not working in shorts, but this link must be working on this format and it's tested by me. But you don't have to worry about that. Your link will not be blocked. Your link will not, you don't even need your shortener to use this in the, because this blogspot.com is a product of Google. YouTube is a product of Google now. So don't worry about this. Just use as I am using and just click on comment. That's it. After that, when you click on comment, and that's it, everything is ready now. And you just see everything is completed. Everything is just now completed. Now your all method I just shown you, everything ready. YouTube is ready, landing page is ready, and the daily $5 method which I have shared you at the beginning, where I am getting traffic. As you know, my landing page, everything is ready now. See, I just make my blog is like that. If someone click on my blog, I will get one click from that. It's all ads. My blog is completely ad based. You have to know this method. I already shared this in my so many videos. So see, this is okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to review my all process in here. The views will increase automatically. You don't have to worry. This is actually the views is now is counting because I just viewed this, that's why. So don't worry. Now see, this is actually my secret. I have so many secret like this. Plan, working on done. I do every day this type of work. That's how my earning is increasing day by day. I hope you also can use this method and earn from Adsterra very easily. I have also so many methods like for Manitech. I just shared in my video, previous video. You can use that method also. So thank you guys. See you for next time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and don't forget to ask any question if you have. I will try to answer this in comment section. Bye.